giving the girls a little oil. This is so dirty. Don't look in my room. But hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Joanne, back with another video. I haven't done that or even said that in such a long time in front of a camera. I mean, obviously I say that all the time when I'm in the kitchen by myself and I'm pretending that it's recording, but it's really not. I'm just having a conversation with myself. But anyways, welcome back to my channel. It's me, and it's been a minute. It's been a hot minute, but I don't really want to say I'm back and then I don't post a video for the next 3 months, but I'm here. Okay, so today I kind of wanted to do a little at home type of vlog type of situation because I am at home and I just feel like I have a lot of very interesting stuff to do today, and I just wanted to show you. I have noticed that a lot of the alternatives for dairy milk or just regular milk, like almond milk, oat milk, cashew milk, all the alternatives for cow's milk, I realize that a lot of them might not necessarily be that healthy because they undergo some very complicated processes, and you know, by the time you get the milk, there's so many additives that it's just not that healthy. So I was like why not make my own? So I have some almonds soaking here. I'm going to try to make some almond milk, and I'm going to try to make some oat milk, because why not? I feel like the process to make these are not that complicated, so I don't feel like I can mess this up, but we'll see. But then again, I'm a professional, okay? I can make this is easy stuff. But those are the things that I want to do today. Obviously there are other things I have to do today, but I don't feel like I'm going to record them because I just don't feel like I need to. Y'all don't need to see that. Let's see where this day takes us, and we'll just have some fun, okay? Okay, so the first thing I'm going to be doing as of right now is I'm going to be attempting to make the oat milk. Can you see that? Which turned out to be a lot more oats than I thought I had put in there. But that's okay, that's perfectly fine. So the first thing I'm going to need to do is to strain this off, and then I'm going to have to blend it with cold water because I guess that helps it to not be slimy. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. So let's just get right into it. Okay, so I have my Sir Blends a Lot right here. So this is what I'm going to be using to blend the oats. Honestly, I didn't want to have to use the big part, this big one. I kind of just wanted to make some in this, but I have too much oats and I'm not throwing it away, you know? In the video I watched, she did 1 cup of oats to 3 cups of cold water. Now I don't know how much cup of oats this is, and I'm not going to measure it, so we are just going to do the next best thing and just add some water, you get me? Okay, so to flavor my milk, I wanted to add some honey, but I cannot get this jar open, so I'm just not going to do that. But I'm going to add some maple extract just for a little bit of flavor. You get it? Was that too much? Maybe. What do you want me to do about that? So, maple extract, I really and truly cannot open this jar at all. It's fighting me. It's not happening. It's not happening. Should I use sugar? I don't want to use sugar. I don't want to use sugar. I'm not using anything. I'm just going to use maple extract and it's going to be fresh. So I'm gonna blend this. Why is it leaking? Okay. Now she said you can use a nut cloth to strain it, but we don't have that. But we have one of these strainer bags things. But what she was talking about is similar to this, so I'm going to use this and make it work for me. You get me? Okay, so we got one of these, and I'm just going to shove this in here like so. Right, and then we're going to, I'm so excited. Are you excited? Take this bad boy off. Oh, it smells like whatever. I'm just gonna pour it in. Everything. Okay. Smells nice. And I did wash my hands, so bear with me. Okay. 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 Leaking over the sides. That's completely fine. Okay, so let's get into my thoughts on it. It doesn't taste bad. It just don't really taste like much. Like, obviously it has the oat flavor and obviously the maple flavoring that I put in it, the maple extract that I put in it. It tastes like all of that, and obviously it's fresh because there's no form of sweetener in it. But it's oat milk, you know, it's really creamy, you know, it's rich, really rich and creamy. But yeah, I don't really have anything bad to say about it, I have to be honest. I'm really proud of myself. It was really easy. One thing she did say is that it has a shelf life of about 1 week, and I can't really afford to make all of that and it only lasts me 1 week because it's not going to finish in 1 week. So what I'm actually going to do is freeze it into ice cubes and then just keep it in the freezer, because obviously then it would last longer. And yeah, so 1 down, 1 more to go. Okay, so since I already started making everything, I'm just going to continue by making the almond milk. Yeah, so it's not a lot of almonds, which is the whole point of doing this. I did not intend to make so much of the oat milk, but I just didn't really account for the oats swelling or at least absorbing the water, so it became a lot more than I anticipated. But I'm going to be making almond milk now. I don't need such a big container or a big blender. I could always use a smaller one, but this is already dirty or it's being used. Might as well just use it. So I rinsed this and I rinsed everything else. We're gonna get to it. So these have been soaking. Let me show you. Okay, so this is what it looks like. They have been soaking since this morning, since like 8 o'clock. So it's been soaking for probably 5 hours now. Okay, so she said to throw this water away. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to strain it, wash them off, or strain it, rinse them off, and then put them in here, add some water. I'm going to add some more of the maple extract, and yeah, so it's not really looking very like milky. So it's not looking very milky to me. It looks like frothed oat milk. Nevertheless, I'm gonna show y'all when I'm done. I mean, it doesn't look that bad. It kind of looks like milk now, huh? I mean, it's not exactly the whitest because I did add the almond extra, not almond extract, the maple extract. Mine tastes better. She's a what? A milk maker. Get with it, please. So I'm also going to do the same thing I did with the oat milk. I'm going to freeze it. Some ice cubes, because you know this doesn't last very long. It doesn't have a very long shelf life because there are no preservatives. So I'm gonna freeze it, but I can't freeze it yet. So for now, I'm just going to put this in the fridge, and then when the oat milk is finished freezing, then I'm gonna freeze these. You get what I'm saying? Yes.